So what's up guys, today I'm going to be making a video on fixing my 85-mile-an-hour mower after I broke it after my test drive. So let's get right into it. So starting off was my chain, the major thing. My master link broke off, the clip came off, so I need to fasten it on the right way today. And part of my gas tank started falling out, so I need to do something about that. It's a bit too loose, but enough for a test drive. And that clip down there got a little farther away from the sprocket, so I need to tighten that up again. And I need to re-tack weld my fender back to my mount. And the only other thing was I lost my whole entire hood mount right there. See, that one's there, that one's not. But that's not a big deal. As long as the hood can still stay on, which it does, is good. So, let's get right into popping on the master link on the chain. Alright, we got the new master link in. So guys, I was able to test drive it. Master link is good now. Clutch pedal works good, as you all saw. So now my next thing I need to do is I need to buy an air filter for it because I can't keep using it without one. And what I need to do is fix this fender. So I'll go weld this one back together real fast. Stay tuned. Alright, got that tack welded back on. Alright, got that fixed. If you're wondering why I'm not fully welding it yet, is because I'm going to take metal, bend it in here, and then weld it all the way across down the fenders to fill in all these holes. So that fixes that issue, tack welding it. So in my next episode of fixing this thing, I'm going to be welding a bar for my start and stop switch and everything, and cutting out a hole for my key, start and stop switch. So I got the axle all fixed back there. I need to get a chain tensioner for it that just tensions down the chain to keep it tighter, keep it from derailing when I'm doing donuts and drifts. But otherwise, this thing is perfect as can be. Well, not as can be, but it is perfect for me. So I'm really happy with it. For only $400, this thing is awesome. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, leave a like and please subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more.